shooting a quick video of this other white craft-based peanut chilling fan here at Carpet Jam. This is in one of the little rooms here. White looking rooms. A lot of people here, so I gotta be quick. It does have two little little blades. They're like twisted a little bit. So far, doesn't go much in unload. I use medium. Doesn't go this one doesn't go very fast. Don't want to make this video quick. There's a lot of people here. I don't want them to think I'm famous, so I'm gonna make this video quick. There we go. Alright, that's medium. Here's high. That's true. That's the highest speed. That's as fast as it goes. Doesn't go really fast. Got two blades that are like, instead of like this, they're like that. One of them's like that, and one's like that. They're a little twisted. Well, but you can hardly see them because this fan. They always keep this one on high. Gonna cut it off. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna put it back on high because that's where I found it. Alright, there you go. There's the fan back on high. So there y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed it. That's it.